Laptop ghosting. Fix. You're scrolling a web page or playing a game on your laptop and you notice it. Images leaving trails behind them. Text smearing when you scroll. Moving objects have this weird shadow following them. That's ghosting. And it's incredibly annoying once you notice it. Good news. Most laptop ghosting is fixable. It's usually a settings issue, not a broken screen. Let me show you how to fix it. What is ghosting? Real quick, ghosting happens when pixels on your screen can't change color fast enough. So when something moves, the old image lingers for a split second, creating that trail or shadow effect. It's different from motion blur. Ghosting is a hardware response time issue. Motion blur is usually a software setting. Most of the time, you can fix ghosting by adjusting settings. Let's go through them. Fix 1. Increase your refresh rate. This is the first thing to check. A lot of laptops default to 60 Hz even when they support higher refresh rates. Higher refresh rate means pixels update more often, which reduces ghosting. Right-click on your desktop. Select Display Settings, scroll down and click Advanced Display. Look for Choose a refresh rate. Select the highest option available. If you see 120 Hz or 144 Hz, pick that. You should notice an immediate difference in how smooth everything looks. Fix 2. Enable overdrive or response time settings. Some laptops have a built-in overdrive setting that speeds up pixel response time. It's often buried in manufacturer's software. Check for apps like Asus Armoury, Creatia, MSI, Dragon Center, Lenovo, Vantage HP Omen, Hub, Dell Alienware Command Center. Look for settings called Overdrive Response Time or Panel Overdrive. Set it to normal or fast, not extreme, which can cause inverse ghosting. If you don't have manufacturer's software, check your laptop's BIOS. Some gaming laptops have panel overdrive settings there. Fix 3. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers cause all kinds of display weirdness, including ghosting. For NVIDIA, open GeForce Experience, click Drivers, download and install any updates. For AMD, open AMD software, check for driver updates, install the latest version. For Intel Integrated Graphics, open Device Manager, expand display adapters, right, click your Intel graphics, select Update, driver, restart your laptop after updating. Fix 4. Adjust. Windows. Graphics settings. Windows has some settings that can affect display performance. Open Settings. Go to System, then Display, click Graphics. Make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is on. Also check Settings, System, Display, Advanced Display. Make sure you're running at native resolution. Lower resolutions can make ghosting more noticeable. Fix 5. Disable game motion blur. If you only see ghosting in games, check the in-game settings. Look for motion blur, turn it off. Film grain, turn it off. Depth of field can make ghosting more noticeable. Also make sure VSync isn't causing input lag that looks like ghosting. Try turning it off and see if things improve. Fix 6. Check your display cable. External monitors. If you're using an external monitor with your laptop and seeing ghosting there, the cable might be the problem. HDMI cables can bottleneck high refresh rates. Use DisplayPort if your monitor supports it. Make sure you're using a high-speed cable rated for your refresh rate. Try a different cable before assuming the monitor is bad. Fix 7. Panel. Limitation. The bad news. Here's the honest truth. Some laptop panels just have slow response times. Budget laptops especially use cheaper panels that ghost no matter what settings you change. If you've tried everything and still see ghosting, I'm afraid your panel might just be slow. Comment on budget laptops under $500, older laptops with TN panels, some IPS panels with response times over 10 milliseconds. If it's a hardware limitation, the only real fix is an external monitor with faster response time or a new laptop. Quick recap. Start with refresh rate. Make sure you're running the highest your laptop supports. Check for overdrive settings in your manufacturer's software. Update graphics drivers. Adjust Windows display settings. Turn off motion blur in games. If you're on an external monitor, check your cable. And if none of that works, you might just have a slow panel. Link in the description if you want hands-on help troubleshooting your specific laptop. Good luck with the ghosting. See you in the next one.